Hey foodies, welcome to Flavor of Cook, where we will create, learn and taste something new every day. Today we will make Mutter Paneer. To make a Mutter Paneer, first of all, put a kadai on a medium flame and put 2 tablespoon oil in it. Now we add 200 gram of paneer and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Our paneer is ready after roasting well. Now we take it out in a plate. Now we will put 1 teaspoon ghee in the same kadai. Our oil is hot. Now we will put half teaspoon cumin in it and let it crackle. We will put a bay leaf. Add 2 clove and 1 cardamom. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add 1 cup chopped onion. Now here we will fry the onion until light golden in color. Our onion is roasted well. Now we will add ginger garlic paste to it. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now we mix it well. Now we add 1/4 cup of water and roast it well. Here our masala is well roasted and ready. Now we will put half cup of tomato paste in it. Put salt to taste. Now we roast them all well. Now we close the lid and cook on a low flame for 10 minutes. It means 10 minutes. Now let's open the lid. Now add 1 glass of water and mix it well. Now close the lid and cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Now we open the lid. Here our gravy are cooked well. Now we put half cup of green peas in it. Add 200 gram of roasted paneer. Now we will mix it well. Now we close the lid and cook the vegetable for 10 minutes by keeping the gas on a low flame. Now let's open the lid. See, our Mutter Paneer is ready. Now we serve it in a bowl. If you like our recipes, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share your experience with us.